Welcome to the pre-market report of 21/3/2022. Today the center pivot placed around 17,269 and bottom CPR is in 17,260, top CPR in 17,278. R1 placed in 17,363 and R2 placed in 17,438, S1 placed in 17,194 and S2 placed in 17,100. Kindly mark this level in your chart. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, R1 and R2 in green, S1 and S2 in red. After that, the blue lines are turning point which market took support and resistance earlier. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. Let us check the global market and then we come a conclusion. Today is Monday, so no need to check Friday close of US and Europe market. The main thing is we need to check how the Asian market opens now. Right now, all the Asian market trading in very flat condition, not more than 0.5% down or up. It indicates our market going to open very flat. Let us check SGS Nifty and Nifty Future because Friday was our local holiday. So if any changes done in SGS Nifty on Friday, it will reflect on today Monday morning opening. So let us check US Futures and Nifty Future and SGS Nifty. All the US futures are trading slightly negative, not more than 0.5%. The German index trading nearly 1% lower. So Asian market also slightly negative, and US futures also trading slightly negative. It creates slight negative sentiment for our market. Let us check Nifty future and SGS Nifty and then we can come a conclusion. Nifty future right now trading around 17,395. Our previous day close was 17,287. It indicates more than 100 point gap up because our previous day close was 17,287. Right now in Nifty future trading around 17,405. Although Nifty future trading slight in red, but it is far away from our previous day close. Let us confirm with SGS Nifty once. There is some issue with SGS Nifty website, so it can't show the current value. So let us move on to the chart. As for Nifty future, market going to open somewhere around 17,400. Right now Nifty future trading around 17,400. It's just about to R1. It may change in the pre-market. Right now it is trading around 17,400. I hope market going to open around 17,400 and face resistance at R2 and came down. Today there is no violent movement in any direction. I hope market going to be in sideways only. So there is no chance for option buyer. If market in sideways, it will favor option seller only. So there is no chance for option buyer. I hope market will open 17,400 and face resistance at R2 and came down. Overall market sentiment is negative, but we have some positive because FII turns net buyer on Thursday. It is very positive for market, but right now US and Asian future are trading slightly negative. It creates negative sentiment. So there is some positive and negative. So we cannot prejudge the exact situation. But right now I hope market face resistance at 17,400 and came down. I hope market will not move beyond R2. If FAS turns net buyer, there is chance to break R2 also, but right now there is no possibility to break R2. If you are an option buyer, just buy put option. When market approaches near R2, just keep the stop loss just above the R2. This is my final conclusion. I am repeating, if you are an option buyer, just wait market to touch R2 and face resistance. Whenever you see red candle after market touching R2, you can enter at the candle close and keep the stop loss just above R2, and your target must be in R1. I am repeating, if you are an option buyer, just wait market to touch R2 and face resistance and came down. Whenever market touches R2 and form a red candle, you can enter at this candle close and keep the stop loss just above the candle, and your target must be in R1. This is the final conclusion. I hope market will not break R2 today.